No. Equation of a plane passing through a given point and normal to a given vector. The vector equation of a plane passing through a point having position vector a vector and normal to vector n vector is given by r vector minus a vector dot n or r vector dot n vector equal a vector dot n vector. Suppose a plane passes through a point having position vector a vector. Means suppose it is a plane and it passes through a point E and its position vector with respect to O is given by a vector and normal vector on this plane is, suppose it is Mn, is given by n vector. Let r vector be the position vector of any arbitrary point. Means suppose P represent any point lie on this plane and its position vector with respect to O is given by r vector. Clearly AP lies completely on plane. And AP clearly lies on this plane. If we want to value of AP vector, then AP vector is equal AO plus OP where triangle law of addition. Then AP vector, then AP vector is given by AO vector. AO means OA vector is A and OP is R, then AO is minus A vector and OP is R vector. Means AP vector is equal R minus A vector. Now since AP lies on the plane and n vector is perpendicular to the plane, n vector is normal to the plane or we say perpendicular to the plane, and AP lies on it. It means AP is perpendicular to Mn. AP is perpendicular to Mn means dot product of AP and Mn equal 0. AP vector is R vector minus A vector and Mn is unit normal vector. Mn or Nm both are same when the given term is equal to 0. Then Mn is n vector and we get the equation of a plane passes through a point whose position vector is a vector and normal to the plane is n vector, and it is the equation of plane. Now if we want to change it into Cartesian form, then let the position vector reduction to Cartesian form. It is also called the general equation of a plane passing through a point x1, y1, z1. Let position vector of A vector is given by x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap means point coordinate of point A are x1 comma y1 comma z1 and direction cos ratio of normal vector are ABC, that is n vector is given by ai cap plus bj cap plus c k cap. Put these values in this term, we get r dot n, r vector dot n vector equal a dot n. Put the value, r is xi plus yj plus zk means any point on this plane. N is ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap equal a1 general points means x1 y1 z1 and vector form x1i plus y1j plus z1k dot n vector means ai plus bj plus ck. R vector equal xi plus yj plus zk means R vector is the position vector of any point P x y z, any arbitrary point P x y z which lie on this plane. Now dot product is given by ax plus by plus cz equal ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 and it is equal ax minus x1 plus by minus y1 plus c z minus z1 and it is equation of plane passing through a point x1 y1 z1 and it is and A comma B comma C are direction ratios of normal to